In today's video, we'll show you how to download an account statement on MetaTrader 5. Let's get started. Once you've logged into the MT5 account, navigate to the bottom of the platform to the Toolbox window. Here, click on the History tab. This is where you can view your past trades. Now, let's download the account statement. Simply right-click anywhere in the History section, and in the drop-down you can see a few time period options like All History, Last 3 months, Last month, or you can even choose Custom Period to set a specific date range. Once you've selected the desired time range, the trade history will update accordingly. Now, right-click again and select Report from the drop-down menu. Here, you'll be able to choose the file format for your statement, either XML or HTML. Once you've made your choice, a save window will pop up. Just choose where you'd like to save the file, click Save, and that's it. The detailed MT5 account statement is now downloaded. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.